can see my headlights. I always be paranoid, so I don't stop at red lights. I don't know her name, I say the number on the truck head.
What's poppin', YouTube? This your boy K Huncho. And as y'all can see, I got the sunroof open. But yeah, man, I just wanted to make this little quick intro, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all know the video is about to be a banger, you know? So stay tuned, get your food. Like I said, get your food, get your snack, get your drink. Whatever you feel like you want, eat or drink, grab it, because this about to be a banger. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna take our heads off. Let's get straight into the video. Wow. Y'all see that? Y'all see what's going on outside right now? Yes, sir. We about to get lit. It ain't nothing too crazy. I was just driving. Woo. Yeah, man, it ain't nothing too crazy. I was just driving. That's why it's not that loud right now. But yeah, man, we about to turn up in this weather. We about to make the best of it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Woo, that rain cold, boy. That rain is cold. Let me clean y'all off real quick. There we go. Yes, sir. I feel like it's weird right now. Now it's straight. But yeah, man, we about to turn up in this inclement weather. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. See, I told y'all I was just driving. You see, not too long ago, like about an hour ago. Lord, it really take a long time for these cars to cool off. I was driving a whole hour ago, and that bit damn near warmed up already. But yeah, first things first. Hit that. Whoa. See that? Turn that off. Yes, sir. Now you about to get lit. Put the little seatbelt on. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, that's kind of hard with one hand. But yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. We about to have a little bit of fun. We about to have some fun. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get on the street. Lord, sneak peek. Try on a good angle. Make sure wipers on. Let me see. Try this at home, y'all. This is very dangerous. I repeat, do not try this at home. I need to get a GoPro. Can I get a GoPro? That's gonna make these kind of videos way better. It's like, all I gotta do is just record. Like, I don't have to hold the camera and try to drive with one hand. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I'm about to get some action for y'all. Trying to get more consistent. Said I was gonna do it. This was a random idea. And now I'm out here. Shit, I'm out here recording, you know what I'm saying? So, hey. Let's see what that's about. Whoa. Slide? Should I slide? I'm scared. Oh! I hope I caught that. I did high key get scared just now. I ain't even gonna cap. I stayed hard as hell just now. see, I don't work today. Shit. They got a sting behind me. What that is? Like what that is? 6 speed, 10 speed. I don't know. Can't go too crazy. I ain't really trying to wreck, you know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm trying to get y'all some good action, some good footage. If I can get the speed to come up. That bitch work when it won't work. Bitch, try one more time. Try one last time. Back to the video, man. Standing up under the bridge and stuff. Y'all want me to floor it from a stop? Let's see how I do. Traction control off. Let's see. Not the window fogging up on me. That's what I probably know. I got, like I said on one of my other videos, I don't remember which one it was. My car got the open diff on it, so it's like a one-wheel pill. I can't spin. But today is wet outside, so I'm about to see if I can do some donuts for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to see if I can do some donuts in this bad boy. Shit. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm definitely about to go attempt it. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm recording some more action. Ow. Is that a TRX? I don't know. It looks like it could be one. Oh, that is a TRX, Lord. What y'all think? Bust it right here? Bust one right here? I'm kind of scared. They got that little boy right there. Let me see. I'm scared going around this corner. I ain't lying. I'm high-key scared. Traction control off. I have no type of protection. I'm about to get to some more action. It ain't over with yet. I don't think it's over. they got people out here too. They about to see me attempt. They be out chill all day in Mexico, huh? Oh, he about. Well, like, I gotta put it in first gear. It's gonna be hard to record though, cause like when I do that, I gotta drop it down in the first. Let me see. I'm gonna try to do it like that. See, I swear that open diff make it so hard to spin. We about to get this right. I ain't doing all of that. Go ahead somewhere. See, these people like that, the kind of people you don't want to be around. Oh, he about to go. Let's see what he could do. Let's see what he about to do. I know he could do something. He about to spin me out. Look at this light. Look at the light. No, he ain't doing it no more. One hand, no, huh? Not one-handed. Shit, I'm struggling in this mug. Wish me luck, YouTube. Try it one more time. Say, huh? What's it good? Yeah, I got all that on. I got an open diff. Damn, bro, this shit tripping up. Yeah, bro, I got an open diff on my shit.
That don't matter.
Oh, for real?
You're gonna go. What gear you got in? Drive or first?
I dropped it down in first. back at it again. I'm about to do it again. Lit shit. You know what I'm saying? We out here. All my insides getting wetter, man. Look at that. See, they could just do it so easily, bro. That's why I'm getting my back end welded. It's a done deal. See how both of his back tires, man? Y'all know what I'm saying, man. I don't gotta explain this here. It's just so much easier. That way your tires low key, they wear evenly. Like my shit, it's one tire going down while the other one is just like, okay. We about to get back out there and try again. What's good? Say you want to record for me? I'm doing a YouTube video.
Huh?
You want to record for me? It's already recording.
Alright, yeah. Alright, start this bitch. Now start front brake, hold the brake, start with a fat ass burnout.
I don't know, bro.
Get a little burnout going.
Yeah.
Stay like mid range. I'm trying to push brake.
Hey.
They been trying to do something, but you know.
My dude showing me how to drift the car, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
And then it shifts up to second, huh?
That bitch put me in third when I was trying to do it.
What if you do, you gotta do?
Once I get that bitch welded, I'm gonna be lit for real.
The choice was this, he took the hard away. He got a fee and got charged today. Push up the was on the script and took his
just hit hard. Bro, I didn't even expect for the video to be that lit, bro. I didn't even know that man. Shout out to him, bro. Shout out to him, bro. Hey, he was a cool dude. I had actually talked to him last night when I had came out, but I didn't realize that was him. Hey man, shout out to you, man. I ain't even get his name, but I got his Instagram and stuff. But yeah, shout out to him. He let me slide. Well, he ain't let me slide the truck, but he let me get in while he slide the truck. He's a cool dude, man. I mess with all of them. Like that's why, bro. That's why I mess with the people who like the car stuff, bro. We all got the same interests, you know. It's always a good vibe when we come out, when we come together. You know what I'm saying? It's always cool. Yeah, man. Shout out to them, bro. Shout out to them. That was fun. I didn't even expect the video to be that lit. But yeah, man. I guess without further ado, that's the end of the video. Oh, hold up. Let me get one more little thing for y'all.